You cannot directly change the height of the ProgressBar element using the height property, so alternative methods are used to adjust the height. This code demonstrates two ways to achieve this. First, ProgressBar using min height. Min height equals 15. This property is used to set the minimum height of the ProgressBar element. In this case, the minimum height is set to 15 units. Second, ProgressBar using scale transform. Scale transform scale x equals 1, scale y equals 10. The scale y parameter is set to 10, which increases the height of the ProgressBar by 10 times, while scale x is set to 1, leaving the width unchanged. Both ProgressBar elements are bound to the value of the slider element using one-way binding, allowing their values to synchronize with the slider's position.